Before you sit, please pick up some papers. Okay, please have a seat. Okay, class. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to familiarize the characteristic of a computer, identify the basic components of the computer, and explain the importance of the various screens of computers. Let us have an activity. Arrange the jumbled letter. Yes, Miss Angelica. What do you think? Please stand. Please stand, yes, Miss Angelica. Computer. Please help. Please help.
Is that personal?
Yes, it is. Next is personal computer. Next. Yes, Miss Prilita. Please stand. Yes. And last, ICBM. It is IBM.
No, you're walking to the history.
Define activity. Now I will discuss a new lesson. History of computer. Please read this
In 1973, Lawrence Kendall wrote a information system for his PL language and called it CPM, or Control Program Control, in order to fit the Intel 8080 system.
Yes. Ano daw yun, Shana?
In 1973, Gary Kendall international system computer na nagnagarang Control Program Control.
Yes, in 1973 na po, si Gary Kendall is operating system for his PLM language, and it is called PMRM, or Control Program Monitor. Next is Mia. In November 1973, Gary Kendall National Center Palo Alto Research Center for Park DARC developed an Internet Computer Connectivity System. In 1976, Gary Kendall and his wife founded Intergalactic Digital Research, which was later turned into Digital Research. Ano daw yun, Angie? Sino daw ang nag-invent ng Internet? Si Gary Yes, very good. In 1973 naman daw, Gary Kendall and his wife, Dorothy McEwen, founded Intergalactic Digital Research, which was later turned to Digital Research. In 1974 naman daw, his personal computer is invented.
And progress of micro-instrumentation, telemetry, sensor arrays began along with the experimental 8080 chip. Each began to sell for as low as $500 US that prototype was completed with this year that was called Altair Bitcoin, the word personal computer as part of the advertising campaign for Altair was considered the first
Sa 1974 naman daw, si Ed Roberts of Micro-Instrumentation got a small computer based on the Intel 8800. Next, 1975, so this time,
1975, indicated Paul Allen Harvard wrote this program knowledge for the athlete. It was called BASIC. BASIC and licensing to MITS for Communication Elementary System. Three, it stands for Royal Training. We later founded Microsoft and Service as a company called Microsoft in November of 1976.
this is display this time again.
So, 1977, yung basic na nag-invent nila ni Paul Allen, bigay sa Paul Allen, naging ano to, parang involved yung Microsoft Instrumentation Telemetry System, yung MTS, for yung experience ng Royal Entertainment, ginawa nila. Sa
Yes.
ngayon, Microsoft na, Microsoft na.
Yes, tama. Palakpakan. Next, 1976, Apple won Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs finished the computer circuit for the Apple I computer in 1976. They formed a company called Apple Computer on April Fool's Day, 1976. While Steve Wozniak designed the Apple computer, Steve Jobs promoted it. The computer board was like the stores in July of the same year of at US 666.66 pieces. Next, 1978, which is called Display Angelica and Display.
Dan became a Harvard Business School student with the help of Robert Kraft's computer programming. Dan studies or software officers. Developed the first economic instruction program called Display was released for the Apple computer and became a popular and Microsoft application used as Sila Merkel si nagkakaman sa American Study ng computing na computer programmer. And then, na-develop nila yung first electronic spreadsheet program na pinuulan siya ni Display.
Agree ka ba doon niya sa paliwanag ni Angelica?
Then, narinig siya na pinuulan ni Apple Computer.
Yes. Next is Speak and Spell. Texas Instruments introduced the educational toy featuring digital speech synthesis in 1978. Next, in 1979 naman, WordStar is next day. Robert Bernard wrote the program WordStar, which became one of the most popular and best-selling word processors during the time and was released by Microsoft. It was a program that gave students the introducing it to our network papers and managed it generation of JYPSY is one of the first word processors. WYS, WYD, what you see is what you get. Developed by in 1975, visionaries and the first the server is quiet, Angelica, and Lee, nagagaling program for the starfish. Naging famous, popular, and famous down the. So, so like that's, I think good word processors created like in what the standard operating system for